Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer brats and veggies or air fryer bratwurst and veggies in your Ninja Foodi or your air fryer. You can do it in either one, and this is also an easy gluten-free recipe too. First, you will need one package of bratwurst, which is about 4 to 5 links. You can use any of the flavors you prefer, but if you need gluten-free, be sure that you get one that is gluten-free. 2 bell peppers, these can be red and green, and we're going to dice those up. 1/4 cup of red or sweet onion diced, and 1/2 tablespoon of gluten-free Cajun seasoning or regular if you do not need gluten-free. So as always, if you're going to make this gluten-free, check all the ingredients first. The first thing we're going to do is slice and dice all the veggies if you need those sliced and diced. And then you're going to go ahead and cut the bratwurst into little coin chunks. Now, a quick tip is if you put your bratwurst into the freezer for about 20 minutes, it'll harden them up a little bit so that you can easily cut them into coin slices. And that way the casing doesn't come off or get tricky to slice. So that's all I'm doing here is preparing those. And then I've also got my veggies all prepared. So I'm going to put both the veggies and the bratwurst into the basket of the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi. So that is what I am doing here. I've got them all in there, and then I'm going to top it with the Cajun seasoning, which is about 1/2 tablespoon. So you're going to top it with that Cajun seasoning. And then once you have that all topped, you're going to go ahead and cook this in the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi using the air crisp function for 20 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, you'll open the lid and carefully stir and mix it and then cook that additional 10 minutes. So we want to be sure that about halfway through you go ahead and you mix it up. This will make sure that it all cooks evenly. If needed, you can add a little bit of grapeseed oil spray if that's needed. I've never had to do that with this recipe because there's enough oil in the bratwurst that it's more than enough really to do this recipe. But if needed, you can always add it. So as you can see here, I'm just mixing this up with my veggies. I used red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I usually use just red and green, but that's what they had. So then after the 20 minutes is up, I'm all done and I have this all ready to go. So this is a perfect little low carb meal if you need low carb, or you can serve it over rice if you prefer. It's totally up to you. This normally makes enough for 4 for us, so it's a great little quick lunch or dinner. So this is how you make air fryer bratwurst and veggies. Now, you can also keep them whole if you don't want to do the coin chunks too, so that's totally up to you. The cook time should be about the same if you keep them whole as well. So this is all done, ready to eat, and as you can see, it looks delicious there, and we're going to serve it up. And you can find this recipe along with many more over on airfryerfanatics.com and also over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for joining in today.